warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone! My name is Kartika Sukma Lestari from 12 Science 1. In this video, I will show you how to make pancakes. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons sugar, honey, sprinkles, 125 grams of flour, butter, 2 eggs, 200 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, tools, dough wedge, spoon, spatula, cup, container, Teflon. Steps to make pancakes. First, put the eggs, then add sugar, salt, and baking powder. Second, mix until well blended. Teflon with butter. Pour in the dough. Wait until cooked. Then turn the dough over. Cook until it is brown. After the pancakes are cooked, remove and place on a plate. Cook all the pancake batter until it's gone. The final step, stack all the pancakes that have been cooked earlier.